Hello students, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing really great. This is Manisha Jha, your teacher, and today we are going to learn about Unit 4 Needs of Life, our houses. लर्निंग गोल्स, टाइप्स ऑफ हाउसेस, टाइप्स ऑफ रूफ्स, बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स, इन सभी टॉपिक्स को हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास में. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. अनस्क्रैम्बल द लेटर्स एंड राइट द नेम्स ऑफ हाउसेस करेक्टली. द फर्स्ट वन इज टेंट, second one is igloo, the third one is hut, the fourth one is houseboat. We all live in a house. A house gives us shelter from heat, cold and wind. It protects us from wild animals and thieves. Have you ever noticed that some houses are made of bricks and some houses are made of bamboo, straw, etc. हम सभी घर में रहते हैं. हम सभी को शेल्टर की ज़रूरत होती है ताकि हम खुद को हीट, कोल्ड और विंड से बचा सके. हमें वाइल्ड एनिमल्स और थीव से भी हमारा घर बचाता है. कभी आपने नोटिस किया है कि कुछ हाउसेस जो होते हैं वो ब्रिक्स के बने होते हैं, कुछ होते हैं बैम्बू से बने होते हैं और कुछ स्ट्रॉ से बने होते हैं. सो टाइप्स ऑफ हाउसेस. ब्रॉडली हाउसेस कैन बी ऑफ टू टाइप्स. हाउसेस ज़्यादातर ब्रॉडली टू टाइप्स के होते हैं, पक्का हाउसेस एंड कच्चा हाउसेस. पक्का हाउसेस. These houses are found in towns and cities. These houses are made using bricks, stones, cement, iron and steel. Their doors and windows are made of wood and glass. These houses are strong and long lasting. बच्चों पक्का हाउसेस टाउन्स में पाए जाते हैं, सिटीज़ में पाए जाते हैं. ये ब्रिक्स, स्टोन, सीमेंट, आयरन, स्टील से बने होते हैं. इनके जो डोर और विंडोज़ होते हैं वो वुड और ग्लास के बने होते हैं और ये हाउसेस स्ट्रॉन्ग और लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होते हैं. Kacha house. Kacha houses are mostly found in villages. These houses are made by using mud, straw, bamboo and cow dung. These houses are not strong, so these need to be rebuilt from time to time. कच्चा houses ज़्यादातर villages में मिलते हैं. ये houses mud, straw, bamboo, cow dung से बने होते हैं. ये houses strong नहीं होते और इन्हें time to time rebuilt कराना पड़ता है. Check yourself. Circle the odd one out. इसमें कौन सा है? फर्स्ट वन में mud. देन सेकेंड वन में क्या है? स्टील. Permanent houses. Some people live at one place for a long time. They lived in a permanent house. Both pakka and kacha houses are permanent houses. Huts, cottages, bungalows, flats and apartments are various types of permanent houses. Temporary houses. Some people keep on moving in search of work and food. They live in a temporary house. These temporary houses are of different types. Some temporary houses are as follows. Trickle your brain. Can we have a multi-story kacha house? इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा. Tent. A tent is a temporary house. It is made of canvas. It can be easily folded and carried from one place to another. It can be fixed anywhere. Army soldiers, trekkers and scouts generally use tents of campaigning. बच्चों टेंट टेम्परेरी हाउस माने जाते हैं. ये कैनवस से बने होते हैं. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह इन्हें ले जाना बेहद आसान होता है. आर्मी सोल्जर्स, ट्रैकर्स इनका इस्तेमाल करते हैं. हाउस बोट्स. Houseboat is a temporary house which floats on water. Some people live in these houseboats built on boats. These are called houseboats. In India, houseboats are found in Kashmir and Kerala. Tourists who come to visit these places like to stay in houseboats. बच्चों इंडिया में houseboats कश्मीर और केरला में पाए जाते हैं. टूरिस्ट यहाँ पर आकर रहना काफ़ी पसंद करते हैं. Tickle your brain. What is the key difference between houseboats of Kerala and those of Kashmir? इसकी प्रैक्टिस खुद से कीजिएगा. कारवां. This is a type of temporary house constructed on wheels. It is a mobile house. It can be taken and parked anywhere. Igloo. A house made of blocks of snow is called an igloo. These are built in very cold places which are mostly covered with snow throughout the year. Igloos are found mainly in polar regions. People who live in igloos are called Eskimos. Fun fact. Igloos are built using compact bricks of snow. The heat from the human living inside melts the bricks and joints them together. Now, stilt house. Some houses are made to stand on wooden poles with a sloping roof. They are called stilt houses. The base of such a house is quite high from the ground level. These houses are made in areas which get flooded due to heavy rains. In India, such houses may be seen in Assam, Meghalaya and other eastern states. Check yourself, fill in the missing letters to name the given house. The first one is igloo, second one is tent and third one is karwa. Types of roofs. The roof of a house can be flat or sloping. Flat roofs are found in plain and dry areas. The sloping roofs are found in hilly areas which experience heavy rainfall or snowfall. These sloping roofs help rainwater and snow to slide off the roofs. Tickle your brain. Why do igloos not melt? बच्चे इसकी प्रैक्टिस खुद से कीजिएगा. A good house must be convenient to live in. It must be comfortable and must let in plenty of sunshine. A good house must be well ventilated. We must look after our house and keep it neat and clean. Pakka houses are made of stones, bricks, cement, wood and iron. Igloos are made of hard blocks of snow. बच्चों, जो एक गुड हाउस होता है वो कन्वीनियंट होना चाहिए, कंफर्टेबल होना चाहिए और उसमें सनशाइन प्लेंटी मात्रा में आनी चाहिए और हमारे गुड हाउस में वेल वेंटिलेशन होनी चाहिए ताकि हमें सांस लेने में कोई दिक्कत ना हो. Let's explore. Visit a construction site along with an adult and list the names of different building materials being used there. Caution, stay away from men at work. Quick recap. Houses. Types: permanent, pakka, made of brick, cement, etc. Kacha, made of bamboo, mud, straw, etc. Temporary, tent, karwa, houseboat. Types of roofs: flat in plains and dry areas, sloping in rainy areas. Building materials for pakka houses, for kacha houses. So now it's assessment time. Choose the correct answer. हमें correct answer को choose करना है. This is a permanent house and that is hut. Trekkers stay in this house, that is tent. Now this house floats on water, houseboat. This is a mobile house, karwa. This house is made of snow, that is igloo. Write true or false for the following. A mud house is found in villages, true. Houseboats are temporary houses, false. Eskimos lives in igloos, true. House built of snow are called stilt houses, false. House in the plain have sloping roofs, false. मैच द कॉलम. कॉलम ए को कॉलम बी के सही आंसर के साथ में मैच करना है. सो इग्लू मेड ऑफ स्नो, टेंट मेड ऑफ कैनवस, houseboat, floating house, karwa, a mobile house, bungalow, a permanent house. Answer the following questions. बच्चों, यहाँ पर कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं. चैप्टर की मदद से इन क्वेश्चन के आंसर की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. अब आप इस चैप्टर और इसके एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस खुद से करते रहिएगा.